is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix brought to you by the Rule Coders. Today we have Vinesh and Zane. How are you feeling today, Vinesh?
Yeah, good, Zane. Really good. Feeling pumped. Um, yeah, as usual.
Fantastic, fantastic. Yeah, I love the way you bring all your positive energy here, and just as in pump up the show as well in excitement, which is fantastic.
Thanks, man.
Cool. So just before we start, I'd play the acknowledgement of the country.
Mhm.
I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. That was brilliant. Cool. So just to give a bit of a recap, yesterday we worked on the same issue that we worked um, on Monday,
Mhm.
and but what we did actually do was we learned about the code from another repo which belongs to AWS.
Mhm.
So I deployed that one again, and that was working perfectly fine. So what I did was I copied and pasted the Lambda code over there.
Mhm.
Um, it did the same result. So what I'm thinking now is that
Mhm.
it may not be anything to do with Lambda,
Okay.
but it might be something to do with the template YAML file.
Okay. Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense. I'm just wondering why that would be the case, but
I I bet you what it
yeah.
would be probably a one character again, as always. Oh,
The two episodes
yeah.
on one character.
Yeah, pretty much, pretty much. Yeah. So what I was gonna do today is,
Mhm.
let me feel free to make any suggestions,
Mhm.
if you have any better ones as well. So what I was thinking that we can copy and paste the template YAML code,
Mhm.
as in just the disconnection function,
Mhm.
as in all the code relating to the disconnect from that repo to our repo,
Okay.
as in from that template YAML, as in which is working perfectly fine in our one.
Mhm. Yep. Yep. Why are you laughing?
And
Uh, I didn't even look at the comments.
I'll
Uh,
just yeah, reading the comments as well. Cagdev is being in a really good mood today. Right, yeah. So, okay, if my hands are up, how will I code? Tell me, guys. Jack Devon, Tory Littlefield. All right, cool. So let's get going.
Mhm.
I will fire up the the screen share,
Yep.
and we can take it from there. Do, 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 do,
Are you gonna
do.
guess bedroom tea? You need a pro setup.
He's working on it.
Yeah.
He's,
Uh,
he's,
you know,
he's working on it.
Zane, we should make posters, I reckon. You know, have you thought of that? Like a roll coder poster that you can put up in your wall.
Yeah, that was at the back of my mind, but I'm just really, really struggling from my time at the moment because
Hmm.
I'm doing at least 2 hours, at least 12 hours of work, and
Hmm.
then I've got some other commitments, and then I've got the stream every 6 days.
Hmm.
So I will probably ask Kartik because he
Hmm.
has got all the banners.
Hmm.
I'll probably ask him to if he can update it this weekend, and then we might as well give an order as
Cool.
well.
Sounds good.
So that would be good. And have you finished your onboarding yet? Not really, Gag Dev. Apparently it's meant to be for 4 weeks, and you have no idea how much I'm learning just in the onboarding, as in all the latest tools, for example, React, um, and Azure as well. Yeah, really enjoying it. Yeah, basically today what I did was learned how to do hello world in C sharp. So that was a pretty good learning curve for me. I enjoyed it. But it was really as in steep though. Like wow. As in console dot write line, they're just three words. And then I've had to open a bracket and then close a bracket and then two quotes as well. I didn't know that. Right. All right, cool. Focus, guys. Focus, focus. All right. Let's open up our workspace. I'll just zoom in. And that one we would get not this one, that one. I would need the code from that one. What was that?
The image that Gekdev sent.
Hang on. Ha- I just need to know one thing, and then I'll imagine basically everything.
Yeah.
That did he put my face on something?
You should have a look for yourself. But maybe if you want to stop screen sharing, yeah, that's up to you.
Yeah, yeah. I'll probably do that after the stream.
Okay.
Right, cool. So that is there. We need this one. Okay. So what I'm also gonna do is open up the other repo because we need the code of that one to check if it is really the fault in template.yaml, as in our one. So we can put, yeah, so what I'm gonna basically do is swap the code.
Mhm.
So see how he's got disconnect root. I'll swap that with our one and just make sure that all the function names are matching. Connect integration, no, not this one. Have you got any questions?
I might just get it up on my side as well, just to have a look.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, man. As in, feel free to interrupt me and ask any questions because
Mhm.
I tend to get carried away when I'm coding.
Yep.
So this
Um,
is root. Oh, this is integration. Right. So what we need to do. Oh, here we go. So this is right. Simple chat, which would be our WebSocket, and then disconnect non disconnect root yeah, disconnect integration, which would be in our case integration. So I'll just put I'll just get rid of that one and put this one back. And then we need where's my repo? Disconnect integration. Okay.
Okay. Maybe put in the same order as well, Zane, if that could help.
I think that's a pretty good idea. That makes sense actually. I'm doing that way. Because if this works, I'll be really surprised that it was because of the order.
Mhm.
So yeah, let's do that. So disconnect root and then disconnect integration, which is over here. Okay, and in our case is integration.
Mhm.
Okay, and then this one can go away. Actually, we need the WebSocket. Okay, cool. Disconnect integration. Okay. And now we need to go to the function that it had over there. Simple, we need the other one. Disconnect integration, send root. Okay, so we don't really need that one. What do we need now is on connect permission, on connect permission, on disconnect function, and on disconnect. Actually do one by one. I don't want to rush this process.
Mhm. Good idea.
Disconnect function, yeah, that comes there. That would basically be our disconnect there and over there. Then on disconnect, cool, that's also from the API. Disconnect on disconnect handler, right? And the WebSocket connection table EK. So get this one.
Disconnect handle function.
I'm confused here a bit because in there he's using table name.
Okay.
I'll check where is he getting the table name from. He's giving that in the parameters. And then default is this one. So it's coming from parameters, which means that in our case, it would come from environment variable. Right. I think this might be why ref that one. Environment variable name, table name is that. WebSocket connection. Okay, I've got a bit of confusion here. See how here he's got
Mm-hmm.
table name here.
Yeah.
I'm thinking it might be that we are not giving it a right table, as in the right value here. That was one of the concerns before.
Can I have a look at what? Oh, he's doing that. Okay.
What do you want to look at?
Where he's got table name on his YAML file.
Yeah. Just take it out. So this is his, and this is a table. Come on. This is a table name he has. So this is the on disconnect function. This is the table name he's using, and this table name is coming from up there, which is this simple chat things. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Right. So did you just want to see this?
Yeah, I was just wondering if we were doing something like that. Was kind of my.
Right, I see. Because I'm having a doubt over there now. Because I'm not entirely sure if that's even the right value that we are passing. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We will put this value there, and try in this way.
Okay. It's working with using that value for connection, right? So shouldn't it be the same?
You're right as well. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, cool. So this is there. And then we need, so this connect handler function is done. Da, 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 da. Now is the permission that we need. So we go over here. There's that one function on connects on disconnect permission, which is here. So we take that one.
Getdev asks, what is the actual error you're having, Zane?
That's the problem, that we don't really know the error because neither the Lambda or the API gateway hasn't been triggered. Apparently, we've seen the CloudWatch and there are no logs there. So I'm just really confused. Okay, so I'll replace this one with this. What did he say now?
Tori said, you forgot the last part, Dinesh, which is he also said apart from the sniffs earlier, but I didn't include that. And Kekdev says it's implied.
Uh, function is that one. So on this one, we need the function name. All right, let's see what this has in short for us. I've done all the things that I could think. Ah, no. That won't work. This won't work. They changed the depending on as well. Depends. WebSocket connect integration depends on connect route handler Lambda permission. Oh, here we go. Cool. So let's take these two and put them here. Cool. So let's check if this works.
I'm just trying to see if I can find any.
Yeah. That makes sense though. It's really interesting that I bet you there's again that problem that we faced the last time.
Yeah.
Have you had dinner, by the way?
Yeah.
Nice one.
Yourself?
What did you have?
I had prawns.
Oh, I love seafood.
Yeah.
Did you you're at home, as in your parents' home, so your mom might have cooked it.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Because the reason why I observed it first that your parents are, because if you weren't there, then you would have cooked it by yourself.
Yeah, that's
Or
true.
then a takeaway. Yeah.
Yeah. Now home cooked food's good, man.
Oh, I love home cooked food, man. Oops, we forgot to remove the reference. This is what happens, guys, if you copy and paste blindly.
Do you have sugar at your house tea?
No, I don't.
You don't? Yeah, I do, but I never take it.
Oh,
He says
that's a
Zane
quick one.
doesn't eat sugar. You don't eat sugar?
I don't. Natural sugar.
Nice.
Or I'm just too sweet, man. I don't need sugar. Just kidding. Yeah, but I've heard that if you really want to have sugar, I think brown is always better than white. I've heard
Okay.
that. Mhm.
I think have you heard of coconut sugar? Apparently that's good as well.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Haven't tried it, no. Are they on to me?
Yeah, Gekdev is like, that's racist. And then Tari's like something cute Jesse would say.
Oh, she's actually not in today. I don't know why.
Oh yeah, true.
She's normally here on time.
Does she come for every episode? Or
Pretty much, yeah.
I mean, we don't know if it's a she or he, right? Or
Well, I'm just assuming by the name, as in cute Jessie.
Yeah,
So it
fair.
would be like Jessie, and she's cute by her username. So I'm just thinking, I could be wrong.
Character says, I hope it's a he. It's probably a 40-year-old man.
Oh, Captain knows a lot of 4-year-old guys, huh? Interesting.
Just for you, Zane. He says.
Captain, I'll bring sugar for you when I come and see you next time. That didn't even make sense, did it?
I didn't get it. Did you try deploying the whole project from the the other one,
I
like
did,
the
and
AWS?
that's working.
It's working. Okay.
That's working. I'm just I'm not gonna copy and paste the code until I actually find out the problem.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking, because I could easily, as in, copy and paste it,
Hmm.
but then we're not gonna learn anything.
Hmm. Yeah.
That's all.
Fair.
So okay, let's try this one now. I'll open up.
So you would have to copy and paste it and then change all the, yeah,
Yeah,
bit of a hassle as well.
I would say a lot of hassle
Yeah.
because if
Hmm.
anything happens in changing, it won't still work.
If oh yeah.
What were you gonna say?
I don't remember now.
Oh, I really have to get rid of this MFA. That annoys me a bit
How come?
because thing is,
Hmm.
I'm not entirely sure about my password.
Oh,
So
oh
if
yeah.
I do this, then if
Mhm.
the password is incorrect, it will still take me back.
To the previous page. Yeah, that's annoying.
Yeah. All right, let's try this. Ta-da! Oh, I'm in a funny mood today. God knows why.
Yeah, so am I.
Which is good, man.
Yeah,
Enjoying this,
sure.
enjoying the struggle together.
Yeah, yeah. Gagdev is like, don't you have LastPass? How do you possibly forget your password?
Like them, Zane likes to become a bit lazy sometimes, and then although he gets his password correct sometimes, then he just doesn't want to change it in password manager. That's why. That's some really stupid excuse there from Zane for you. But now, man, I have to. I need to. As in, that's just ridiculous. Uh, Come on, dude. Come on. That's 10 already. And we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, cool. Actually, now first thing is first. I'm gonna change my password first because I don't want to have the hassle again. And I'm gonna stop sharing my screen for a minute until I do this. Users Zane. Do, 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 do. Security credentials. All right, MFA. Forget MFA. Actually, I need that, but I'll change my password. Custom password. Yeah. Okay, this is there. Perfect. That is done. I'm just gonna update the password in my password manager.
Mhm.
Cool. Okay, cool. Done. I'm coming back now. Coming back in action. Alright. So now we go to CloudFormation. Please work this time. Cloud.
GigDev says you need to fix your lights up, Zane. It's like I'm staring into a spotlight. So much glare.
All right. Yeah, thanks for letting me know, Dev. I'll make sure it's not there tomorrow. Okay, so do that one. WebSocket. Yeah, that is the one. Come on, baby girl. You need show me some loving. Actually, what I'm gonna do first is go to my DyanmoDB. And delete everything from there. Not the table. Not the table, Zane. Just the connection IDs. Okay, cool. The moment of truth. Okay, that one is there, which is fine.
Nice.
This one is there. Let's see.
I wish this like it prints an error or something. It's too
Let me check.
because you don't know where to look, you know.
Exactly. And no, not the different. Disconnect. Disconnect handler function. Did it show anything here? Let's have a look. Nope, nothing there. And what about in API? No, see, that's the thing. There's no outputting any logs that we can work with. Connect handler, connect. Hang on. Oh, this is the logs, which is fine. Yeah. But why? Just why? Just why? Actually, I'm gonna enable the API logs and deploy it. See if that works.
Did you use validate, Zane? That's something Tori has suggested.
Yeah, we can use that one as well. Let's have a go at that. I'm just doing I'm thinking that wow, I'm failing that many times that I'm actually becoming numb to failure now. But yeah, one step closer, another step closer, I would say.
Mhm. Cactive says life would be easy as a kebab driver saying.
Pretty much, yeah. If I'm really think about it, I could even get free dinner,
True.
and I could get that as in kebabs pretty much every day, as in home delivered, s- VIP service. I'm thinking because clearly I can't write code. It doesn't even work. It's just some word gibberish. Yeah. Right. So this is doing that. Validate. It needs me to put the AWS region as well. Region name. API. What was the command? Read. I think it would be this one. Yeah, it is a valid one. So why does it not do it? Actually, let me try in changing this table name. WebSocket connect table. Where is that coming from? Because it's inserting it here,
Mhm.
so you should actually do it over there as well. Disconnect. Actually, I'm gonna go and have a look at the deployment part of this repo. So deployment is doing over there. Send message, don't need that one.
We don't even know if the function is being called yet, right?
Correct.
You misspelled DynmoDB in your stream title. How the AWS recruit is gonna find you? Cactive.
What
That's
was
what
that?
you've misspelled DynamoDB in your stream title.
Mm-hmm.
How the AWS recruit is gonna find you?
Oh, right. I'm pretty sure AWS recruiters are smart enough to, as in, recognize the spelling mistake and say, nope, we don't need him. He can't even spell it. No, it was basically a test for the recruiters that if they can actually spot the spelling error.
Yeah.
Deliberately did it. Let's check how many calls I get. And if I don't get any calls, they fail to pass.
They don't meet your test.
Yeah, they don't need one.
Cactus says, I mean, they'll find you from all the failed Lambda invocations.
Oh yeah, pretty much, yeah. Actually, they're gonna find everyone because it's raw code, isn't it? But no, it's done from my account,
Mhm.
as in my username. Yeah, they'll find me anyway.
They'll find
Just
you.
thinking how many failures are there, and they will probably say, "We will help you for free. Just let us. You're crashing the entire platform by having that many failures."
They'll fix it for you.
Yeah. All right.
Um,
WebSocket. Honestly, there has to be something I'm not doing right, and I bet you used just a minor thing. Actually, let me go to that stack and actually check what are they doing connection server on disconnect function. Um, that one is there. Process. That's the lambda. Don't need lambda. I need monitor. Yeah, see, there's one is being invoked, obviously. I think the problem is not in the lambda, is because the lambda isn't even being invoked in the first place.
mhm. You can see that the onConnect is being invoked, right? Like you can see that.
Yeah, that is being invoked.
Mhm.
So how I can see that is basically monitor. No, yeah. Yeah, so if you see here, see this dot,
Mhm. Yep, I can see the dot.
that tells you
Oh,
that,
okay. That tells you that it's executed. Okay.
yeah, see this one,
Yep, yep,
this
yep.
one, duration, and it's no hit, it's 100%, so which means that it's 100% success. What's stopping that one not to be invoked? As in, it's exactly the same thing except the names are different.
Yeah.
National Day. Actually, let me try. Um. Oh no 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 no! Copy and paste error again. Disconnect. Disconnect. Ah, come on, Zane. How's your day, Fresh?
Yeah, pretty good, sir. Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, busy or somewhat busy.
Mm-hmm.
Yourself? How was it? How was your day? Long day or
You can say purposely engaged.
did you finish late like the other day?
Yeah, I finished at around 9:15, and then I came here.
9:15. Okay, wow.
So I think the reason why it goes on till that because my half of the main team is in the UK,
Mm-hmm.
as in London. So I need to be attending their stand-ups.
Oh, okay. Makes sense.
So they start at 9, which means that our stand-ups that starts at 9:30 in the morning according to London time,
Oh, okay.
which is our yeah around that time, but at night.
I see. Do you start normal time like us, like 9 o'clock? Or?
I basically start at 7, 8.
Oh
Hmm.
wow.
Yeah, it's just really as in good. I'm finding it because I would
Mm-hmm.
work with these technologies that I'm actually training on, as in
Mm-hmm.
officially in my personal time anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Because I really wanted to learn this, but now what's happening is that I'm doing it for an actual purpose.
Yeah, true.
So I
Nice.
don't really care as in how much
Mhm.
time I'm putting or not. It basically for my own hobby as well.
Yeah, true. Yeah,
How
that's
about
good, man.
yourself? As in, do you have those fixed timings, or you're like me as well?
Yeah, just for me, it's like 9 to 5 standard time. But yeah, I mean, outside of work, when I get the time, I like to spend on learning some other technology. I
Mm-hmm.
guess, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Um,
That's pretty cool, man. So, what technologies are you learning outside of work at the moment?
um, learn GCP mainly.
Hmm. Okay.
Uh,
S You're doing any kind of a cert?
I'm planning to do the security professional security one. So
Mm-hmm.
I've
Ooh,
already done the associate and DevOps one. So I'm thinking of doing the security one as well.
ooh,
But
nice. That's pretty cool.
yeah, it's pretty interesting, man. Like I think like it either if it's AWS, GCP, or whatever, it's kind of like the it's transferable. I mean
Mhm.
the knowledge.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. So basically, the concept would be the same, just the naming things would be different, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I found so far. Um,
Hmm.
between the two.
That's what I found is well between Azure and AWS because I've just done Azure fundamentals
Hmm.
and they basically use the same concept, but just services names are different.
I see.
Have you found that kind of a thing as well?
I've never used Azure, but I found the same thing with GCP and AWS. Like, I mean, the basic stuff, like like if it's instances, like AWS is EC2, and GCP is like Cloud Engine. So it's like it's a lot of it is the naming thing. I feel as well. But
Mhm.
I can't remember now, but there was like some things that you couldn't do in GCP, but you could in AWS,
Right.
or
Interesting.
even vice versa. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, um, I think that's why you have the options, anyways. Like
Yeah.
um,
Yeah.
at the end of the day. um,
All right. Where do we go next? If that's not working either, what could be the other thing? CloudWatch. Any clues it gave us here on disconnect? Default. Hello. Disconnect. 19. We have it here.
Interesting.
So the Lambda has triggered now.
Oh, nice.
It's in 21. Yeah, 10, 21, 19. It has actually triggered, but it didn't really do anything. Interesting.
What did you change then? Like I missed it.
Oh, I just changed this. So over here, it was the same as this. This. So basically, what I did was it was saying that the permissions depend
Mhm.
on permissions, which doesn't make any
Oh,
sense
okay.
at all.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So what I did was I said permission depends on the function itself and the API, WebSocket API.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's basically. But it didn't really do anything and it didn't even delete it. So where did we go wrong? On disconnect. Ah, what I'm gonna do is comment this one out and just use our one. And let's see what this does for us.
I mean, it's good indication that it's running, at
Yeah,
least.
that's a pretty good progress since 2 days,
Yeah.
which is good. Okay, really hope this works. Yeah, so basically the working laptop that I've got,
Hmm.
they've actually sent a Microsoft Service Hub as well.
Hmm.
So what that does is as long as that is connected to the laptop, it will always be charging. So what I mean by that is that I've actually connected my external monitor to the hub,
Hmm.
and then as long as the hub is connected to my laptop, which it needs to be, because if it's not, then I'm not going to have this external monitor. So it's always charging my laptop. Yeah.
I see. Will that affect the battery life or
Oh, it will kill the battery life.
kill the battery?
Yeah, but then I googled it, and there's actually a feature, as in a workaround, that you can limit the battery charge to 50%,
Oh, okay.
which was a good feature.
Yeah, that's a good
So,
feature.
so I've activated it, and it's working pretty well so far, I would say.
Nice.
All right, cool. So now what we can do is connect again. It would be the obviously, and
Mhm.
then disconnect. Voila, that was a problem.
Nice. Hey, great job,
What's
sir.
the problem?
That's good. Yeah, really awesome that you spotted that. Uh, that yeah, that it was the wrong. Depends on.
Yeah, I think it's probably because we have been staring at the same code for 2 days.
Yeah.
Which was really good, as in to kind of stand out,
Mhm.
because as in if a person actually writes the code, then he's basically kind of he can basically spot where he might have gone wrong or not.
Mhm.
So that can be a good learning to just check, as in, okay, this is why we don't just copy and paste.
Mm. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Makes sense.
So I'm just gonna test. Do you wanna test it on your end as well?
Yeah. Yep. Sure thing.
Do you have the?
Could you send me the?
Yeah, I was gonna. I don't know why. I should feel happy about it.
But you're not
I'm like, okay, what's next?
really.
Yeah, which I think probably because my brain is already dead, and I'm like, okay, yeah, whatever, let's go.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm happy, man. I'm happy. I'm just playing around. I'm very happy. As in, we have been working on it since 2 days, so it's
Yeah.
good that we can actually move on.
Move on.
On the fun part, and have a guess what that is.
Um.
How can we test this from multiple users? A hint. It's running on localhost at the moment. How can we test it so multiple users can interact with it and
Nice.
connect to it? How?
So you're gonna okay, wait. So will we need to integrate with front end first, or am I getting it correctly?
Oh, yeah, so that was the next bit. So integrate the backend with the front end, which I believe Tori, apparently he has already done it.
Mhm.
So he said, yeah, that's a piece of cake.
Okay.
And I'm really looking forward to it.
So you're saying the next is to deploy it?
So then, okay, maybe I skipped one step. Okay,
Mhm.
so the next step would be to integrate it with the front end, and then the step after would be to deploy and make it live internally, as in so we can test different users, as in me, you, Tori, Gagdev, Kartik, as in we can all test it and to see if multiple users can actually connect and interact, because that is the
Nice.
goal.
Cool. Awesome.
Oh, I'm really sorry, Tori. I think I might have misheard you. It just, man, my brain is half asleep already, so apologies for that. Yeah, I didn't mean to, as in put in that kind of words. I think it just came out. So yes, sorry about that. No, no, no. It's all learning, man. Everyone is here to learn. Yeah, I should have chosen a different choice of words. That's my fault. All right. Okay, cool. So this is it. What we're gonna do now is just get rid of all this code and the template.yaml as well.
Yeah, it's working for me as well. So,
Cool. Oh,
bless you.
too late. I was just looking for the mute button and it just came straight away. Sorry about that, guys. Cool. So I'll just do this and then yeah, that's all basically. And this has to be there. Actually, this doesn't really need to be there. That's just for no reason. Don't need that there. Okay, cool. I will deploy this. No, sorry, add this and push it to GitHub. Add all. Make removing removes connection ID from DyanmoDB table. By the way, I did a Git training as well as a part of work, and in they said always make sure that the comment messages maximum say 50 characters.
50 characters. Okay. And what, like, how would you write it? Like how you've written it there, like
Yes, so in the present tense.
present tense, present tense. Okay.
So it's instead of removed connection ID from Dynamo, it would be in a present tense, as in removes connection ID from DyanmoDB.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
That's helpful.
Right, voila, that is done. We are happy people.
Nice.
All right, cool. So do you want to do the closing finish,
Yeah,
please?
sounds good. Today we continued to investigate why we couldn't, or why the code wasn't deleting the connection ID from DynamoDB. Turns out it had the wrong depends on in the YAML file, and Zane found that out. So yeah, that was awesome. And we found it out. And yeah, and then that after deploying it, we tested it out, and it worked flawlessly. So now we can move on to the next part. So yeah, really great to move on.
Yeah, which should be easier according to
Hmm.
one of our um really good contributors and team members, Tori Littlefield. So really looking forward to learning that. Apparently, it would be easier as compared to the one that we have just managed to do. So let's see how we go on that one.
Okay, nice.
Perfect. So if you want to see the progress on that one, join us back here tomorrow at same place, same time, and
A different task
yay, finally. All right,
after 3 years.
guys. Yeah, exactly.
So,
Cool. So have a great evening, night, morning. But in terms of Melbourne, if you are, so you would be have a good night. Cheers,
okay,
guys.
good, good. See ya.
Cheers. Bye.